This is an updated technical analysis on Bitcoin cryptocurrency here off the daily interval. I'd mentioned its objective short trade entry January 21st, 2023, trading spot price 23,240. It would be an ideal objective short trade entry at the top of this key primary trading range, coinciding with the 24,623 price resistance, and that was rejected impulsively right off that key trading range. We have a lot to talk about as far as some new fresh developments where we had RSI divergence in the previous video of the daily interval. We have now confirmed negative and or bearish divergences established and confirmed on all three indicators, with a confirmed crossover on the moving average convergence and a oscillator already testing its zero line. Just a very big inflection point for some of the momentum indicators here on the daily interval. And really more significant, we've effectively put in a bearish two-phase sequence of a three black crow bearish continuation pattern here. We are already completely undercutting the 50-day moving average, and the biggest inflection point in my opinion is here off the 240-minute interval. I had mentioned that we have just completely been baking in negative and or bearish divergences, big divergences now on all three indicators here on the 240, and it's completely snapped now right off this primary uptrend line off the January mid-January reactionary lows. Again, just multiple reactionary lows to help validate that, and we completely snapped it, coinciding with the 23,314 price support. These are my key levels. Dip buyers, bull traders, they need to recover this. We've completely taken out the 22,440 support. That is a pretty darn good key level here off the 240-minute interval. Bull traders, dip buyers need to really begin the rally, counter trend rally, step in, make this a bear trap, and recover that key level. This level needs to be recovered at all cost, basically through up once Asia takes over. But this is again another big key level, and they need to recover that. If we don't recover it, I could only expect a pretty sizable move to the downside. In my opinion, this is a sell signal off the 240-minute interval. That snapback and or counter trend rally could be powerful, which would line right up into resistance at the 23,313, coinciding with the primary uptrend line, which would offer an additional objective short trade entry, if not add on to your existing short position for the next move to the downside and or laid down. But just key levels to watch, big key levels to watch, and I think we're at a big inflection point here on the 240-minute interval. But really, what'll be really interesting to see, if possible, is if we wind up taking out these key levels. What'll be really interesting if we sort of take some time to get there. Right off this, love this primary hidden trend line, multiple reactionary highs, reactionary lows to help validate it. And if that is completely coinciding with the 18,332, that is the big key level right there. If we somehow end up melting down, crashing down towards that key level, that'll be the big level to watch, like I've been hyping up for quite some time, where you'll have the trend line sort of hone in, coming on that 18,332. And if that gets taken out, again, that'll put in a secondary big sell signal, in my opinion, and I think would only increase the odds for a much larger multi-year bear market crypto winner.